Have you ever felt like your dream life was always just out of reach? I did too, until I started doing this simple 10-minute routine every single day. And within weeks, my life began to shift in ways I couldn't believe. Stay with me because I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I used to manifest the life I once only dreamed of. Most people think manifestation is just about wishing, but it's really about reprogramming your mind. What you repeatedly feel, speak, and imagine becomes what you attract. The subconscious mind drives your reality, and this 10-minute ritual is designed to feed it the right signals every day. Let's break it down. The exact 10-minute routine. Minute 1 to 2. Gratitude and grounding. Sit still, close your eyes. Take 10 deep, slow breaths. Feel your body relax. Now, think of three things you're deeply grateful for, big or small. Gratitude instantly shifts your vibration and opens you to receive more. Minute 3 to 4. Affirmations. Speak loud. 5 affirmations like, I am abundant, I am aligned, I am attracting my dream life with ease. Don't just say them, feel them. Minute 5 to 6. Visualization. Visualize your dream life as if it's already yours. See yourself living it, the sights, the sounds, the feelings. What do you see around you? Who are you with? How do you feel? Minute 7 to 8. Daily intention. Now ask, what's one action I can take today to move closer to this life? Write it down or say it out loud. One small, inspired action creates momentum. Minute 9 to 10. Release and trust. Finally, take a deep breath and say, I let go of the how. I trust the universe is aligning everything for me. Feel peace. Smile. It is already done. I did this for just 10 minutes every morning. Within a month, I got my dream job. My income doubled. I met people who deeply aligned with me. And for the first time, I felt free, centered, and in flow. This wasn't luck. It was alignment. Now it's your turn. You don't need an hour, just 10 minutes of intention. Repeat this daily. Don't skip, don't doubt, just do it. And watch how life begins to rise up and meet you. Because your dream life isn't far away. It's already waiting for you to claim it. If this message touched your heart, please give this video a like, subscribe for more, and share your dream life in the comments below. I believe in you. The universe believes in you. It's your time now.